I'm Dave Noll from Lake City, Minnesota, which is right at the north edge of the driftless area in Minnesota, and I'm a Tenkara fisherman.
That was a fish, huh?
Yep.
Ooh, nice.
To me, Tenkara is the way that I fly fish. When I got ready to retire, I was looking for a hobby. I decided on fly fishing. I figured I could learn Tenkara by myself a lot easier since it's a line and a rod and fly, and that's how I got started. I use a lot of different Tenkara rods. My favorite rod is whichever one I'm using at the time. My setup is maybe 6 inches longer of level line and some type of a nymph. If I'm fishing Kabari, the one I fish most frequently is the red-ass monkey developed by Rob Worthing of Tenkara Guides. No, Tenkara is fly fishing. I would assume that if you go back far enough, all fly fishing was fixed rod fishing. It works wherever I've been, and that's been in a lot of different places. A little brownie.
No, it's a brook trout.
It is.
See, this is why I'm helping Dave out.
Looks like a brown. It looks like a brown to me.
Oh my gosh.
My lips are.
Say it again. Say it again, Dave.
No.
I can bleep it out.
You can, but will you?
Yeah, my niece watches these.
You're on. The wind got me there.
What?
Whoa! Slid right out. Don't say a word.
It'll be in the bloopers.
Look on it.
Let's get a slow
Oh,
release.
red melt on that rock.